Hello students, this is Rupendra Soni, your VMAT mentor, and today in this video we will be solving exercise question of chapter number 14, that is cubes and dices. Okay, so first of all, question number 1, we will take two positions of dice are shown. Okay, these are the two position of same dice, two different position of same dice. When 4 is at the bottom, what number will be on the top? So first of all, we have to check this dice is a general dice or a standard dice. As I told you, if the opposite face, sum of opposite face is 7, okay, opposite face, then it is a standard dice. Okay, otherwise if the sum of the adjacent face is 7, for example here in this, the adjacent faces, the sum of the adjacent faces is 7, 1 plus 6, 7. So this is a general dice, this is not a standard dice. So we will solve according to the concept of general dice. So here you can see at the top we have 1, then 2, then 6, and then 3 and 5. So first of all we have to take the common number. Common number is what? 1. Okay, so 1 in the first part. Then we have to rotate clockwise. Then 1, then we have 2, and then we have 3. Just we have to do like this. Again in the second dice, you have to take the common face. So this is 1, then moving clockwise, this is 6, then this is 5. So clearly from here, this 2 and 6 are opposite faces, and this 3 and 5 are opposite faces. And what is remaining? 1 and 4. 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 are the opposite faces. So what is the question? What is the opposite face of 4? So it is 1. So answer will be option A, that is 1. Okay, understood? This is the method we have to follow for the one common face. If you will get one common face, and if you will get two common face, we have different method. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 3. Two positions of a dice are shown below. When 4 dot will be at the bottom, then how many dots will be at the top? Again, first of all check whether this is the standard dice or not. Okay, so it seems that 4 plus 6, it is not clearly here said that this is a which kind of dice. So let's check with our method. So here what is the common face? We have common face as 1 here. Okay, 1 dot. So the first dice, let the common face 1 and rotate clockwise. 1, then 4, then 2. Okay, now again moving 1, then 3, then 5. So clearly from here 4 and 3 are opposite. Okay, so 4 and 3 are opposite. So if 4 will be at the bottom, means this is the dice. Okay, if 4 will be at the bottom face, this is the 4. Let I change the color. If 4 will be here, so 3 will be at the top. This is being asked. Okay, this is the top face, this is the bottom face. Now moving further to next question. We will take question number 5. Okay, this is in each of the following question, the sheet of paper shown in the figure X is folded to form a box. Choose from amongst the options the boxes that are similar to the box that will be formed. So this is the sheet of paper, and when we will fold this sheet, it will form a box, or we can say a cube. So you can take all these are square, this squares as the faces, each faces of the box. Okay, when we will fold it, so you can see, and the this triangular portion will be the top face. Okay, this triangular portion of the sheet will become a top face. How? If we will join like this, so if we will join, fold and join this will become like this figure, and this triangle will be coming like this. Okay, this, and this will be coming like this, but I don't have to show this because it is not shaded. Okay, it's not shaded, so I will show only the shaded portion. This and this will become white. Okay, this and this will become as it is white portion, and this will become shaded portion. So I am just showing you the shaded one. So here it will become like this. So this will be the top face. Similarly, we will be having front face, bottom face, and left and right face, front and backward face, and left and right face also. So from 4 options, which box will be the forming with the help of this figure X, we have to check. Now see, what are the opposite faces and what are the adjacent faces. First of all, we have to learn this concept, then we will be able to solve this one after another. Okay, this is the opposite faces. Similarly, these two are opposite faces, and similarly this bottom one and the 4 which we have made like this, okay, 4 triangles is the top face. So check here. And one more thing, the opposite faces cannot be the adjacent faces. So this figure is only showing, this 4 is showing the adjacent faces, and these are showing the both adjacent and the opposite faces. So we have to select accordingly. Now checking that in the first figure, so as we see that only this kind of top portion we got. Okay, half diagonal or triangular part. So this will be not correct position, because only one face we are getting as at the top. Now checking the second one, see, this and this are adjacent faces like this and this. Okay, then dot one and the blank one can be adjacent. Okay, and this one can be the top faces. Yes, we know that. So second option can be the correct. Now coming to the third one. Now check the third one also. If we will check, we can see this and these are adjacent faces. So this 3 can be adjacent. Okay, so 3 also correct. Now fourth option cannot be correct because we are getting half shaded portion like this. So 1 and 4 are wrong, second and third are correct. So option C will be your correct answer, that 2 and 3 only. Okay, second and third figure can be formed using this figure X. Similarly, coming to the next question, that is question number 7. Now again, let I tell you what are the opposite faces when we will fold this paper. This is the paper, strip of paper, and when we will fold it will form a box, and opposite faces will be this outside, always outside faces. This is a single figure, single vertical column, and the outside one are opposite. Okay, these two are opposite. Similarly, this adjacent one after another will be opposite. Similarly, these are the opposite ones. Okay, let I write 5 and 6 also. So this is the opposite faces, 1 2 opposite, 3 4 opposite, 5 6 opposite. Now check accordingly. Checking figure 1. First of all, we will check figure 1. Okay, this and this, and these are adjacent. Okay, as I told you. So this figure 1 can be possible, this can be possible. Okay, because this, when we will fold this and this faces can be adjacent. Now see, this circle and this circle and this blank part is opposite, but here this is showing that is showing in the adjacent position, so second cannot be followed. Similarly, as you can see, this first and third are quite same position. Okay, just we have rotated it, through 180 degree like this. These are the same position, so third will also follow. Now coming to the fourth one. So I told you these are the opposite faces, so here in the figure they are showing adjacent. Okay, adjacent cannot be there, they can be opposite. Okay, for example, if this is the top, this is the bottom, this is the left, this will be the right. So option fourth one, figure 4 is also wrong. So what are the left with us? 1 and 3. So option A will be the correct answer for the question. Okay, thank you. Next.